What's up YouTube? Box of SPx 0708 hockey. Looking for our Taze rookie. I think you can also get Patrick Kane and whatnot in this. Should be some good stuff. How many packs do we get in this nightmare? 18 packs, so it's the SPx of old. 18 packs, one or two hits, and a whole crap load of SP excitement, I'm guessing. Alright, well that's Mike Ribeiro base. So all the SPx is holofoil, of course. There. Nice shiny looking ones. Milan Hajduk, Decoy, Guillaume Latendresse, Daniel Briere. I think I prefer the 10 pack format of SPx or 8 pack where you get a hit per pack. Right, we've got a bit of a hit here. Alright, so we've got Chris Pronger, we've got Yevgeny Nabokov, Matt Sundin, Daniel Anderson, and our rookie is Tyler Wayman for Colorado. And that's a dual jersey rookie, numbered to 15.99. Not sure if he's still there now, but they had a new rookie when I was watching the other day. Next pack are a Decoy, Semin Correa, Decoy, Patrick Marleau, Pierre-Marc Richard. Looks like... Alright, so we got another rookie, alright. So we got David Abisha, Mike Modano, Vincent Lecavier, and we got a rookie of Patrick Coletta. And they are numbered, which is good, to 999. And there's some... I hate when you get an order like that Duchesne I got in Artifacts and they're not numbered. It kind of defeats the point, you know. Vanek, Kovalchuk, Marty Turco, Danny Heatley. Who's Turco playing for there? Dallas Stars. Next. Alright, so we got... Alright, so it's an SP Extreme. The base is Jean-Sebastien Giguère, Phil Cassell, Manny Legace. It's a Lanny McDonald SP Extreme, so I'm guessing that's like SP Excitement, something like that. Numbered to an extremely low $9.99. Shebang-a-bang. Looks like we got another dual jersey. Zach Parise, Zach Koivu. It's our rookie order. It's on card, Daniel Sedin, Nicholas Backstrom. It's to $9.99. Bit edged, this one. It's a bit upsetting. It's a dual jersey of, oh god, Franz Nielsen. I haven't heard of him, sorry. No Taze for us. Well, that's the rookie jersey and signed rookie jersey done. I've done it all too early. Patrice Bergeron. Might get some lucky hits. Lidstrom. What do we got here? Winning combos. Marianne Gaborik and Pavel Dimitriou. Dual jersey. Not numbered. I thought we'd at least get a Crosby base, don't we? Oh! Looks like we may have beaten the average. Miroslav Satan, and it's Yaroslav Halak, numbered to $9.99. Another dual jersey order. Oh, well, Mika Kuprasov, Henrik Sedin. Well, that's alright. Punching above your weight for the box. You can't sneeze at that, kids. Base, Martin Brodeur. Maybe we'll get a third, you never know. So it's an SP Extreme of Nick Foligno, sorry. Evgeny Malkin base, amongst others. I've been busting these Ginter boxes. I've got all the hit packs. I'll show those on the vid. I haven't looked at the hits yet. I've just been busting the cards, trying to complete that set the hard way. Marian Hossa, he's carving it up this year, isn't he? Points galore. Points galore. It's hard to do when you've got Kane and Taze on the same team too. Alright, we've got a winning materials of Mike Modano, Dallas Stars Hot Box. Olli Jokinen. 4 packs left. I think we've already had the fun. Mario Lemieux. Eric Stahl, Nicholas Backstrom SP Extreme, numbered to 999. Penultimate pack. Oh, Jesus, what's this? Oh, I don't know what this is. SPX Force Quad Hologram card. Before that I've got Mr. Hockey. Gordie Howe. I don't know, you're supposed to get one of these per box or what? That's not coming out at all on the camera. But it's a quad. It's got Joe Sakic, Joe Thornton, Jason Spezza and Vincent Lecavalier. Wow, that's sick. That's sick. Yeah, I haven't really had any big names, but I've definitely got quite a few hits going here, haven't we? Anyone hit me up with that? I'll check the Beckett and see what's going on with that, but yeah, let me know. Wow, that's good stuff, Upper Deck. SPX 0708 hockey. I'd go another.